Hi everyone, I am Kelly, Head of People at Aerobotics. So Women's Day is incredibly important, and I think for me it's incredible to be working in an environment that is typically male dominated. I think to be part of something that could inspire other women to follow a path and get involved in an industry that is so profound and so important, in terms of where the world is going, excites me in the greatest of ways, because I think that there's so much opportunity that sits within the tech space and within the agri-tech space as well. And I think that we're just touching the surface. And I feel that my hope is that other women are inspired and, hopefully take on roles within the space as well, because the opportunities, in my opinion, are endless. And yeah, I feel very proud to work at this company surrounded by incredible women that have decided to follow the same sort of career path in terms of this space. Sure. I don't even know where to start with this one, because I think that women at Aerobotics just have such an invaluable impact. There are a lot of different women in a lot of different senior positions in the organization, and I think that these women have an impact both on an operational sort of day-to-day perspective, but also, from a strategic perspective as well. I think that these women are playing a really big role in impacting, where we're going as a business. And for me, to be part of this incredible group of women that just have so much potential and so much talent, and I'm learning every day, and I'm inspired by all of them. And I think that Aerobotics would not be Aerobotics without these incredible people. So it's incredible to be part of this team.